Okay, once you've got everything ready and you're ready to create a new file, here's the way I go about it. I just go to File and New, and you get this little new document window that comes up. We went ahead and gave it a name using our last name again just to keep them alphabetized for me when I have you turn them in. Kind of a redundant name, yes, as it goes into the folder and the file have the same name, but we'll have other files that go in there too. And leave the profile as it is on custom. Number of artboards, we just need one. Spacing, since there's only one board, we won't need to work with that, and it's grayed out anyway. I chose letter for my size. Now, one student didn't have that as an option. I'm not sure exactly why, but we were able to get around that by typing in the size of 11 inches wide and 8.5 inches tall. If you click right here, it should flip those figures if you've got the letter option there. Now, we kept our units of measure on inches. Bleed, we don't really need any. We're not concerned about bleed on this first file. Under Advanced, keep it on CMYK. Make sure that the raster effect is high, 300, and you can leave your preview mode at default. Make extra sure that you do not select this. That is really for web applications only, and we want to have the full functionality and full flexibility of Illustrator, so we're going to leave that deselected. Once you've got a name and all this other set up, if you just hit OK, and you'll see a new window pop up. We've got a space now for us to work on. This space, the white space in the middle, is called our page or our workspace. We looked at a whole bunch of shortcuts for early in the class. Some of my favorite are the zoom in functions, Command plus to zoom in, Command minus to zoom out. Command 0 will fill the screen. Command 1 will show your file at 100%. Okay, and so learning a little bit about that as we go. Let's go ahead and save now. We've created the page, but we haven't saved it. Go to File and Save, or use the shortcut Command S. You want to make sure that you put it in the folder that it needs to be in. So you'll want to navigate back to Pictures, find the root folder that you just created, find the file with your name on it, and as soon as you find that and you see it fill in right here, then press Save, and you've got your first file just about created. Now, those of you with later versions of Illustrator, the CC versions, this is where you can change this back to Illustrator CS6, right there where it says version. You'll just use this little pull down and save it back to CS6. If you don't do that, it just makes it hard for you to open any files that you create at home in our classroom. So make sure you do that. If you've got photographs included, you want to select here. Otherwise, I just leave it where it is and click OK. And you may notice that the name changes up here on the border. Now we have the AI in our file name, and we got the little preview for the Adobe Illustrator. And that's how we created our first file and put it in our folder.